I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make vitamin B2 at home, updated. Begin by cleaning and sanitizing your workspace, glassware, and tools thoroughly before any steps. Gather basic ingredients, sterile containers, a heat source, and reliable instructions. Keep a log of times and temperatures during each stage so you can repeat success. If you feel unsure at any point, pause and review safety practices to avoid contamination and waste. In this video, I will show how to make vitamin B2 at home, updated. Start by measuring all ingredients carefully using a digital scale and clean utensils to maintain accuracy. Prepare nutrient media with distilled water and allowed cooling time so you do not kill the starter culture. Label each container with date and batch notes for tracking. Keep a moist but ventilated environment and check progress daily for color and aroma changes. In this video, I will show how to make vitamin B2 at home, updated. Carefully introduce your starter culture into cooled media using sterile technique to avoid contamination. Maintain consistent environmental conditions, monitor development daily, and avoid drastic temperature swings that stress the culture. When the mixture shows the expected color and scent, follow a gentle extraction method to separate the vitamin B2 fraction. Store the extract in a dark, labeled container for later use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.